Sunday, the 29th of March, 2026. We are here in Carlton. We're going to run right down through here, then we're going to turn around and we're going to go down this dirt road, Noble Road, I think it is, dirt road. It should bring us out all the way over to the 72 bypass. This is old Georgia 72. Very interesting stuff out there, folks. We're going to turn around here and we're going to go back down that dirt road. We're going to mount the camera on the windshield. This is the Osmo Action 5. And we're going to go down the dirt road. On the map, it looked like there may be a creek crossing down here where we actually crossed the creek instead of a bridge, but I can't tell for sure. So we'll find out. This doesn't end up dead end into somebody's front porch. It shows it going all the way through. Please like, share, and subscribe. Scenic Georgia Backroads. Very, very nice spring day. Somebody's been doing some renovating on that house. Boy, I'd love to have that place there. Well, it's not likely we're going to be able to cross the creek. It looks like they've got the pipes and stuff in, at least. But maybe, we'll see. Looks like this road's a couple miles long, so it'll be a nice dirt road. So far, this road's a lot nicer than City of Atlanta streets. Of course, that's not hard to be better than. north. Headed in the direction of Elberton, granite capital of the world. Okay, well, this video is how long? 7 or 8 minutes. We'll video some of this. Our 360 VR immersive videos are anywhere from 1.5 to 3 to about 7 minutes long. It takes so long to process it. They are short videos. And anybody that watches the channel knows that our videos generally are 10 to anywhere from 30, 35, 40 minutes. Even up to an hour. That's very commendable. Okay, this video is what, 11, almost 12 minutes long. We'll go ahead and turn this off and wrap. This will be a wrap. We'll get some more video in Elberton. We have Elberton video, and we even have bike video in Elberton. Riding our bike, our electric bike. We have gotten hungry. You know what? We've got some gravy left from breakfast. We can have gravy bread. We sure can. What we're going to do, we're going to have 2 pieces. If we've got enough gravy left, we'll have 2 pieces of gravy bread. If not, we'll just have 1. I know we've got enough for 1. Okay, well, this is a railroad trestle. Let's for us to pull over at this creek down here. Yeah, but we'll pass it on by. Okay, let's turn this off. This will be a wrap. This is about 12.5 minutes.